If you follow me on Instagram, you know that my brand of choice for fitness when it comes to headphones is Jabra. And trust me, I've tried everything. You guys know that. It's not just about the sound quality, it's about the durability. And we're here at CES 2019 and also as part of the Showstoppers 2019 coverage. Let's talk about what Jabra has to offer today. I'm Jaime Rivera with Pocketnow. Let's dive in. Let's begin today with the Jabra Move, which are now in their 5th iteration. And now including a spiffy new style edition, there are playback and call controls on one of the cups and options for up to 14 hours of Bluetooth listening on a single charge, and even more with a 3.5mm cable. All of this wrapped around a nice lightweight design in 3 colors for $100, which is very hard to find for Jabra. None of their products are what I would call affordable. I expect for these to retail over the next month. And let's also talk about the Elite Active 45T. It's actually a ribbon-type Bluetooth headset like last year's Elite 45T, but with an interface that's better suited for exercising. It's got 9 hours of battery life, an IP67 rating that should come to the United States later this season. But the newest of the new are these. These are the new Elite 85H premium noise-canceling headphones. This is honestly what I've been waiting for Jabra to do. The materials running from the cup to the headband are fabric-like on the outside and cushy on the inside, and there's just the right amount of top-down pressure. There must have been a lot of engineering going on to make that happen because these headphones are rated for 35 hours of straight-up Bluetooth, and I actually hope I got this number right because we also have 32 with active noise canceling on. I, again, want to believe that this metric is right. That active noise cancellation comes with the help of Audeering, which programmed for more than 6,000 samples from all sorts of environments to help the smart sound software determine how to handle noise, whether you're in a private, in a public, or most dreadfully, commuting environment. Audio is driven by 40mm speakers, while both calls and noise cancellation utilize a total of 8 microphones, perfect for reaching the Google Assistant, Alexa, or Siri. Now, one thing that Jabra really is looking out for is for users, particularly in the United States, to use their 2-year warranty. I actively use it. Just register your product, and whatever problems you have with your headset during 2 years, you get a free replacement. Let us know what you think of what Jabra just launched here at CES 2019. I am really looking forward to these. And while you're at it, make sure you follow us on social media. Subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.